Welcome to another new episode of the Get Organised with Decluttr Me podcast with myself, Shalina. I hope you're well wherever you are in the world. Today, I'm going to talk about something that many of us struggle with, which is organising and decluttering our bedside cabinets. We all know that bedside cabinets is one of the most important pieces of furniture in our bedroom. It's where we keep our most important and personal items, such as our books, glasses, medicine, supplement, phones, and even our midnight snacks. You'll be surprised how many midnight snacks I have seen in these cabinets. But sometimes we tend to accumulate a lot of things in our bedside cabinet, and it becomes cluttered, disorganized, and messy. It's just a nightmare to get to anything, especially in the middle of the night when you need something. So today, I wanted to share some tips and tricks to help you declutter and organize your bedside cabinets. So the first step in organizing your bedside cabinet is to take everything out from one drawer only. So don't take out everything from all of the drawers. It will overwhelm you, you'll get frustrated, and then you'll just end up taking it all and throwing it back in the drawer. So do one drawer at a time, do a mini declutter, as I always say, and then clean each empty drawer to remove the dust, debris, random buttons, and medicine pills that you find inside of there. The next step in each drawer is to sort everything into categories. So you can have categories such as books, electronics, beauty products, medicine, supplements, headphones, and other miscellaneous items, and of course the midnight snacks. This will make it easier for you to decide what you want to keep, you want to donate, you want to recycle, or you want to throw away. So then we do the decluttering. So it's time to decide which items you want to keep, donate, recycle, or throw away. This can be a challenging task, especially if you're sentimental. So don't worry, I have got you covered. So here are some of the questions to help you decide what to keep or not to keep. So first of all, think about, do you really need it? Is it useful or practical? And when was the last time you used it? Like, have you got a wire in there for a phone that you don't even use or have anymore? Can someone else benefit from what you have and what you want to get rid of if you don't want to keep it? Is it in good condition? These questions will help you to make a decision on whether you want to keep it or not. Anything that's gone off, sale by date's gone, smells funky, please throw it away. Put it into recycling or throw it away in the garbage. So once you've decided which items you want to keep, it's time to organize them. So here are my tips on how to do that. First of all, you've categorized everything, so group everything that's in the same category together so that they all go into one drawer. So you don't want everything in multiple drawers moving forward. Then I want you to use organizers. So you can use your baskets, trays, or dividers to separate your items. This will make it easier to find what you're looking for. I use acrylic drawer trays to keep all my items organized, and I also use it for many of my clients. And you can get them from Amazon or these shops which have all these acrylic trays. I also use a basket on top of my bedside cabinet to store the supplements that I need to take every day. And also the one book that I am reading, which takes months for me to read, but my cat likes chewing on book covers, so I have to put it into a box to prevent him from doing that. Next, let's talk about the top of the stand. So remember, of your cabinet. So keep it as empty as possible. So only have the main essentials and a lamp on there. So you can use your smartphone as the alarm instead of a big bulky alarm clock. You can also use your music subscription like Spotify or Apple Music to put the white noise sound so you don't have to have a machine. So have as little as possible on the top and then put the essentials into the first drawer. So, your medicine, I have like Panadol or sleeping pills if I need that. And then I put the hot water bottle and supplement overstocks in the bottom drawer. And the reason I don't put them in the top drawer is because there's so many of them that it gets bulky. That's why I put on the top in a neat little basket. So think about the things that you need all the time and you want to have access to quickly and easily. That could include like your glasses, water bottle, they will be on the top of your cabinet, and then think about what will go into the drawers. Also use the vertical space if you have a small bedside cabinet. Vertical spaces, talking about like shelves, those hanging shelves that you can get so you can put things on them, nice knickknacks, pictures that are taking up, a lot of room on the cabinet. You can put them on shelves instead. You can also have hooks so you can hang things on there as well. Finally, remember to label your items. So this will help you to remember where everything is, and it will enable you to find everything in 5 seconds moving forward. But then you have to build the habit and maintain this newly organized bedside cabinet. So this means putting everything back in place after you've used it and not letting the clutter accumulate again. So every quarter of the year, review your cabinet drawers, take out anything that you don't need, use, or want. And every morning, remove any cups or bottles that should be cleaned in the kitchen. Throwing away any dirty tissues and empty medicine packs as well immediately. Don't keep them there for the sake of it and then just wait. One day you'll remove it and put it into the trash can. So think about that and, remember, do it slowly, do a mini declutter. Don't do everything all at once because it'll be overwhelming. Remember to then categorize, organize, and then maintain. These are my top tips for you today to help you to get organized and to organize your bedside cabinet. Thank you for listening. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to leave a comment or send me a message on social media at DECLUTTRME. Join us next week for another episode on decluttering and organising on the Get Organised with Decluttr Me podcast. And until then, take care and stay well. Bye.